Welcome guys to Southern Cross Jet Blasting. My name's Charbel. We're a high pressure water equipment company based in Sydney, New South Wales. From this location here, we service Australia-wide, sales, service and parts. Welcome to our shop. What we focus on here at Southern Cross Jet Blasting is bringing the latest innovation to the industry, showcasing it down here. A lot of people come to us with a lot of different weird and wonderful ideas. We're here to make their dreams happen. The doors at Southern Cross open up at 8 a.m. We've got in-house technicians ready to meet your needs 6 days a week. We're here to supply and get your needs done. Although we're based here in Australia, we source the latest technology from around the world. Our product range consists of jetters, pressure washers, hoses, hose reels, all the way down to the nuts and bolts of any machinery code. In today's running world, we know that time is of the essence. We aim to have a turnaround of a 24-hour period where we have the machinery built onto the truck, ran and tested, ready for dispatch. In a short 5 years, we won our Suppliers Australia-wide award 2 years in a row from multiple suppliers. We aim in Australia to be a very well-known brand, reliable. We want our service to be tier 1. We want customers, when they call us, they know they can rely on us and our technicians to fulfill whatever the needs are.